So good evening, guys. I'm gonna be making some shrimp and broccoli and some zucchini tempura chips. I felt like having my own Chinese food tonight, so here we go. And this is nice,
sweet
short,
and simple, and it's just
so the
delicious.
first thing I'm gonna do is marinate my shrimp while I prep my vegetables, and this is my marinade. So I have some salt here, and then we're gonna add some black pepper. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. The oyster sauce is very thick, so when I drizzle that on, it's like you gotta watch it and then twist it. And then just a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Comes out very little, so that's good. I'm gonna mix it. Now that it's all mixed, I'm gonna add some garlic to it and give that a spin also. Now I also added some cornstarch, and I'm going to add a little bit more. And this is to bring all the sauces together on the shrimp and make it nice and succulent and juicy. Okay, so now that everything is prepped, I'm going to make my tempura batter. And I have some all-purpose flour here. I'm going to just add some egg white. And I just opened up my salsa. You hear it? It must be cold and very bubbly. So now I'm just going to throw them inside here and let them get drenched, and then I'm going to throw them in to fry. Okay, let's test. Looks good. Let's put them in. Okay, so the first batch is all done, and they are so amazing. I'm going to crunch one. It's amazing. Let's start the shrimp. So I went from I can't believe it's not butter to vegetable shortening. Woo! So let's add our shrimp. And let's get it. So my phone is doing that thing that it does when it feels like it. Or Instagram, whatever. So right now the focus is to get a nice glaze on these shrimp. And we're going to add the broccoli. Now that the shrimp is almost about done, I'm going to add the broccoli with a little bit of water in it to just deglaze all of that yumminess in the bottom. So I took the top off just to add a few pepper flakes. And we're going to give it another cover. Okay, it's all done. Last but not least, I'm going to add a few shavings of broccoli. Of carrots.